It is a usual thing to make stories in Insta. People like to show off themselves in their network. Instagram posts and stories play a major role in improvising your attitude, personality, and even your business. And here are some cool resources and some scene-specific filters which will surely improvise your storytelling. Without wasting any time, we shall see the first video of a new series, Come Closer from B-Books. I'm G.H. Chandran. It is true that Instagram plays a major role on your perspective in social media. In this video, we are going to see some ways through which you can improvise your social presence using some great Insta presets and face filters. We shall also learn about making a custom preset to get our very own filter. Before getting started, all the links I'm about to say are available in the description. Now let's get started. There are lots of Insta presets available, but it is not tailored for every specific user. They are more generic. And see here, there are about 25 filters shown default in your edit carousel. You can click on this manage button to get things more organized and also get some hidden filters from Instagram. You might be doubted on arranging the filters, so I'm here with a neat and generic set of filters for some specific scenes, which will surely boost up the mood. Clarendon for selfies, Juno for food, Ludwig for portraits, Lark for natural shots, Lo-Fi for the 90s. And you can arrange Gingham, Mayfair, Sierra, Valencia and Walden too. There are also some top picks of many users of Instagram. For some more techies, Instagram presets are not the only option. There are VSCO, Snapseed, A Color Story, Darkroom, Afterlight, Redriga, Pola and many more such free and paid apps available for both Android and iOS in their corresponding stores. And it is so easy to use them. Just apply a filter and send directly to Instagram. Finally, for those custom lovers, you can build your own preset in any photo editing app. But for mobile, I chose Adobe Lightroom. As it offers more flexibility in handling with the light, it is a good idea for making presets. First, download and install Adobe Lightroom from your store and sign up for Adobe CC. Now, click on the library button and choose a picture from your gallery, or you can use the same picture as we are using. Check out the description. The main thing about choosing a right picture is the balance between the brightness and the contrast. So choose a picture wisely. And here we are. You can make whatever changes you want to make using these sliders. Just try sliding each of them to get the look you want. After you are done with the editing, here comes the main part. Click on this preset button, then tap on create preset and give it a name and save it to your group. These checkboxes are used for further modification of the preset. Just give it a try or check out our Facebook page from the link below where I have posted about it. Instead of making edits from the scratch, you can choose any of the already provided preset and edit them for you and save it using the same procedures as we did before. And that's it. Our custom preset is now ready and you can use any image from your gallery to save it with the filter. Now we are going to see about one more cool feature of Instagram: face filters. Instagram is most known for its face filters. You can choose any of the filter from the Instagram preset, but we people are unrestricted. Tap on this button. You will see a bottom sheet, and there you can choose the browse effects option. And here is a whole list of face filters made by several users of Instagram. They are neatly categorized and it has a search option too. From there you can choose any of it and use it in your own Insta story too. Wait, you might have got a doubt right now. If these users can make these awesome AR filters, why cannot we make some? And that's what we are about to do. Spark AR Studio is a free augmented reality building tool made by Facebook for creating awesome AR-based filters for Instagram and Facebook. This tool helps in making the process of building AR filters so easy by giving a great foundation of tools. So, to give it an overview of how to use the Spark AR Studio, we are going to make a simple project and submit it for publishing. Download the Spark AR Studio from the link in the description and install it. Then open up the software. Here we are welcomed with a list of templates made by Facebook and we can make use of it. So now for example and give an overview of how to use the software, we shall open up face decoration for now. Alright, here is the simulator in which we can preview the changes that we made. You can roam around with all these customizable features and make your own face filter. And last, the important thing is test on device button, from which we can test the design in a real device. Spark AR Studio also have a separate app for testing called Spark AR Player. We can connect it with our device to preview the design. But now, to keep it simple, we are going to test it in Instagram itself. After the export finishes, you will receive a notification to test. Just click on that to preview the effect in real time. To submit the effect to Instagram for public usage, you have to submit it to Spark AR team. For that, click on File, choose Upload to Spark AR Hub, it will upload and open a page in the browser. There, choose Instagram as the platform. Give it a name and choose the category and give some keyword to show up during search. Then click on Save button. In the demo video section, choose Send to Instagram to record the effect as we did for preview. After you recorded the video in Instagram, send it to the PC and make sure the format is in .mov. Then click on Choose File and upload the recorded video. In the visibility settings, choose as soon as possible to ensure it posted fast, or choose a date and time to schedule the availability. Then give some instruction about the effect. Then click Save button and submit the effect. Now you will be navigated to the review page. There, click on Effects and see the status of the effect you submitted. Usually, it just takes 1 to 3 days to review your effect and approve it. Once it is approved, you will be notified and you can see a new tab in your Instagram profile where all your effects live. Okay, now I have got something for you. I thought of having a fun event of our viewers by uploading their work to let the world know them. So head over to the official Facebook page of our channel from the link in the description and like it to start following it. Try to make a simple AR face filter and submit it for review as we did now. After its approval, snap yourself with the effect and post it in our official Facebook page. You can also shoot a pic of yourself with the custom preset as we did before and post it there. The top 5 posts with the high likes will get an exclusive set of 5 custom presets for free. So what are you waiting for? Cut, snap and post. Thanks for liking the video and subscribing to our channel. And I'm waiting for your responses in the Facebook page. Thanks for watching.